Welcome to our tutorial on converting PowerPoint presentations to Google Slides. Whether you're a student, professional, or educator, knowing how to migrate your content is essential. In this video, we will explore 3 straightforward ways to achieve this. 1. Upload to Google Slides. Visit the Google Slides website, sign into your Google account, click blank to create a new presentation, go to File, Open and select the Upload tab. Either drag your PowerPoint file, PPTX, onto the window or click Select a file from your device. Your presentation will open in Google Slides, ready for editing. 2. Import specific slides. Create a new blank presentation in Google Slides. Click File, Import Slides, upload your PowerPoint file. In the Import Slides window, select the specific slides you want to use, click Import Slides. Rename your presentation by clicking the name in the upper left corner. 3. Keep the original theme. When importing slides, check the box to retain the original theme from your PowerPoint. Adjust slide layouts and content as needed. Your changes save automatically. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.